Hi everyone, I'm Sabina and today we are going to cook our traditional dish together, mantı. So I chopped the potatoes and onions into small cubes, mix them together and add some salt, pepper and spices, and now let's make the dough. For the dough we mix the flour, add about a tablespoon of salt and make it soft, not too hard. Our dough is ready, now let's divide into 4 pieces, make small balls and roll each one out into a big circle. After we cut our dough into small square pieces and put the fillings on each piece and fold them. We'll place our mantı into the steamer and cook them for 40 minutes, and that's it, they are ready. Bon appetit everyone, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time, bye.